Hello everyone, today I come to introduce my last tool. The name of that tool is Code Hunter or Code Hunter, and it's a tool where you can find regular expressions in a bunch of websites if you are looking for specific content. Okay, I'm going to share the screen, and for you will be more easy to understand what I'm going to mean. Okay, that's the tool you have in GitHub. Okay, and here you have the installation and how you can use it. It's very simple. It's very simple application, and it's very easy to use it. Okay, we're gonna do a demo. Okay, here we are in my website, in my computer, and here we have the test file, test.txt, where I have a bunch of URLs where I can scan. And here I have the regex file, is the regex.txt. That's everything, and we're gonna see what happened with the tool. The name of the tool is like, for how to use it, like Python 3. It's codehunter.py for see how to use it. And here you have, okay, like the regular expressions. In that case, is that the regular expression only script, and the URLs here, it's a file with the URLs, it's F. Okay, that's not many URLs gonna use. And the way to use it is very simple. You only like Python 3 file, in this case it's testing, the regex file, -r regex file, and the output file is like output file.txt, and that's it. Enter. I'm gonna start to scan the URLs. The speed depends on how huge is the URL we are scanning. And that's it. I'm gonna check the output file. The output. And that's it. That's the number of times phone script in the Rails. And that's very useful in case you are Google working or you are doing your audits or whatever, and you need to find for specific words and maybe for do some code injection or something like that. Yeah, I create that. I hope you're gonna like it. And that's the first version. If you want some improves or something like that, the application is open and you can go and do everything you needed. Thank you very much for watching.